You don't realize it yet, but your life is cluttered, not with things, but with habits, thoughts, and distractions that quietly hold you back. Every day, they steal your energy, your focus, your time. Number 1, negative people. Those who drain you, gossip, complain, or bring tension. You think you can ignore them, but their presence seeps in, shaping your mindset. Remove them. Protect your peace. Number 2, social media obsession. Endless scrolling, comparing, seeking approval. Every like you chase is a minute of your life wasted. Disconnect. The world won't fall apart if you look away. You will. Number 3, unhealthy routines. Junk food, irregular sleep, no exercise. You feel sluggish, unmotivated, stuck. Your body fuels your mind. Remove the habits that slow you down. Move, sleep, eat with purpose. Number 4, toxic thoughts. Fear, doubt, envy, resentment. They whisper you can't, you shouldn't, you won't. Silence them. Replace them with belief, focus, and relentless determination. Your mind is your foundation. Guard it. Number 5, procrastination. Waiting for the perfect time, the perfect plan, the perfect mood. That moment never comes. Action, however imperfect, is what changes everything. Remove hesitation. Start now. Number 6, excuses. I don't have time. I'm too tired. I'll do it later. Stop lying to yourself. Every excuse builds the life of someone you don't want to be. Remove them. Take ownership of your choices. Number 7, clutter. Your space reflects your mind. Messy room, scattered desk, endless notifications. Clean it. Organize it. Let clarity replace chaos. Every small environment change sparks focus and discipline. Number 8, self-limiting beliefs. I'm not ready. I can't do this. Others are better. Every one of these thoughts is a wall you built. Tear them down. Challenge them. Replace fear with action. Doubt with consistency. Number 9, energy drainers. Overthinking, overcommitting, people-pleasing. If it saps your energy without adding value, remove it. Protect your mental and emotional strength like your life depends on it. It does. Number 10, comfort without growth. Netflix, scrolling, endless comfort zones. They feel safe, but they kill ambition. Growth happens outside comfort. Seek discomfort. Face challenges. Build strength daily. Your life isn't broken, it's crowded. Remove the things that no longer serve you. Remove the distractions, the habits, the excuses, the people, the thoughts. Start today, one thing at a time, because every removal is a space for growth. Every step you take away from what holds you back brings you closer to who you're meant to be. Focus, act, transform, stop waiting, remove, decide, rise.